Who was Gwladys ferch Dafydd Gam? A prominent Welsh woman whose life was forged in power, loyalty and loss. Born in the late 14th century, she was the daughter of Dafydd Gam, a landowner and soldier who served the Lancastrian kings Henry IV and Henry V. Her early life was marked by conflict. During Owain Glyndwr's rebellion, her family's lands near Brecon were attacked, and her father was captured and held to ransom. Her first husband was Sir Roger Vaughan of Bridwardine. However, the Battle of Agincourt in 1415 brought devastating loss. Her father, Dafydd Gam, was killed in the battle, and, according to tradition, so was her husband, Sir Roger Vaughan. She later married Sir William ap Thomas of Raglan Castle, the Blue Knight of Gwent, aligning herself with another powerful Welsh family. Through this marriage, her influence continued to grow. Her son, William Herbert, would become Earl of Pembroke and a central figure in the Wars of the Roses as a loyal supporter of the Yorkist king, Edward IV. Gwladys's Herbert descendants continued to exercise power and influence in Wales and England for centuries after. As Lady of Raglan, she upheld her status through patronage, supporting her community and championing Welsh culture, poets and musicians. She was Seren y Fenni, the Star of Abergavenny, and was celebrated for her beauty, intelligence and influence. Gwladys died in 1454 and was buried beside William ap Thomas in a fine alabaster tomb at Abergavenny Priory. Visit Raglan Castle to discover the story of one of Wales's most notable and enduring women. Cadw, for us all to keep.